Hi, boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And you know what? I have some special helpers today. I have Mr. Carter.
Hi.
I have Mr. Daniel. I have Miss Christiana.
Hi.
And I have Miss Summer.
Hi.
And boys and girls, we have a very special program. We have a colorful program. Look at all the pretty colors. What, Christiana?
I like blueberries.
You do?
And I like kiwis.
Well, would you like to see what we're going to be making today?
Yes.
Boys and girls, would you like to see what we're going to be making today? Well, let me show you. You might see it. Oh, you kids are gonna love this.
Whoa.
Do you know what this is called?
What?
This is called fruit pizza.
Ooh.
What do you think?
That looks good.
Does that look pretty?
That looks
So
nice.
I'll set that on the table. You don't have to make yours like this. And boys and girls, the fun with fruit pizza is you can use lots of different fruit, all your favorite fruit, even more fruit than we have here. And you can decorate it any way you like. We start out with, we've baked you a cookie. Miss Cinda's made you a cookie, and you can use your favorite cookie.
This is large for a cookie.
Is it large, isn't it? We'll share with, well, how about we share with our mommies and daddies and our brothers and sisters, you think? Or do you think you can eat all that cookie?
No.
But you can use your favorite cookie, so you could do oatmeal, and you could even do,
Blueberry cookies?
well, you could. You could just do your favorite cookie, and you bake it in a big pan like this.
Miss Cinda?
Yes, Christiana?
Can you organize it however you want?
Yes, you can decorate it however you want. Okay, I've made a, who knows who Miss Brenda is?
Me.
From Kids Time?
Yes.
This is actually Miss Brenda's recipe. Isn't that special?
Where's the recipe?
Well, because I knew it was going to take, you guys would have more fun decorating the cookie, I decided to mix the topping up for you, okay? So you can spread your toppings on. To use your spatulas to spread the topping. And you're going to spread the topping all even over the top of your cookie, okay? We can put yours over here, Christiana. That might be easier for you to take. And you spread it out all even. Doesn't this look good, boys and girls? Ooh! Who wants to eat their cookie when they're finished?
Me.
Ooh, it's gonna taste so good. And you know what, boys and girls? All these fresh fruits are so healthy for you. Isn't it wonderful that Jesus made lots of fresh fruit for us?
Yeah.
Ooh! And there's lots of fruits that aren't even here. When you travel around the world, they have lots of different fruits that we don't even have here. Did you know that?
No.
Uh-huh. But some of the other fruits, can anybody see what some of the other fruits we could have added? What, can you name a fruit that's not here? I can think of one right away.
What?
Mango.
Yeah.
I love mango, and we don't have mango. Spread it all out, Summer. Here, put some more on, Christiana. You're going to use all your topping.
Miss Cinda uses to scrape it off.
Oh, that's fine. Oh, that's fine. But you're going to want to put all your topping on, kids, and then spread it around. Good job, Daniel. You can use your spatula. You want me to hold your bowl for you, Daniel?
Yep.
You can use your spatula to scrape it all the way out. You want me to show you how to use the spatula? Look. Here, let me have your spatula for a minute, Daniel. See, look, go like this. Boys and girls, you want to take your spatula and take the edge and press it against the side of the bowl. And look how I'm getting it all out. See how I'm getting all that out? Look. And that's what you can do with your spatula, and that way you don't waste any of the filling. Okay? You kids, can you guys do that? Oh, look. Okay. Daniel, I'm going to move you a little bit, and don't want you to fall, so I'm going to put you in the center of the stool, okay? Because in the kitchen, we want safety first, don't we, boys and girls?
Yeah.
That's right. Oh, it's looking good. You're almost done, and as soon as you get it all over, you want me to hold your bowl for you, Christiana? There you go. You can put it all on and then spread it out if you want. Get it all out of your bowl. Oh. Oh, yes, we can take it to the kitchen sink. And then we'll have fun cleaning up, won't we?
Uh-huh.
Thank you, Daniel. Want me to help you, Christiana?
No, I got it.
Oh, you got this. Okay.
Miss Cinda, look at mine.
That's perfect, Carter. Very good. Only, Daniel, when you're cutting your strawberry, put your strawberry down in your mat first. When you're cutting, you never want to hold it in your hand, okay? You want to put it down. That's right. So, boys and girls, did you see how Daniel's doing it? When you're wanting to cut your strawberries, put your strawberry down flat and on the table and cut it that way, because you don't want to cut it while it's in your hand. Even though we don't have sharp knives, it's still good to learn to cut the right way, isn't it? Mm-hmm. That's good.
Miss Cinda, now what do I do?
Now you can decorate any way you want. You want to put that in the kitchen sink for me?
Okay.
Please. That's good, Christiana. There you go. Good job. Now you want to start decorating?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, Miss Cinda, help you. I'm going to just even it out a little bit, and you guys decorate it any way you want. You don't have to decorate how Miss Cinda did. You can decorate any way you want. Just make it pretty. Woo! Remember to put your strawberry down there. Don't cut it while it's in your hand, okay? Let me take yours to the kitchen sink too. Now, make sure you don't use the knife when it's in your hand, okay?
Can you use this part too?
Sure. Sure.
Cinda, look what I'm doing.
You know what you can do with this part?
What?
You want me to show you what you can do with this part? That's good. Oh, that's good.
Cinda,
Here.
look at mine.
Oh, that's pretty, Carter. How are you doing, Summer?
This is a big one.
Yours is a big one, isn't it? That's okay. It'll still be good. Ooh, that looks so pretty. What's your favorite kind of fruit, kids?
Mine is blueberry.
Blueberries? You like mango? What do you like, Daniel?
Strawberries, blueberries, and grapes.
Oh, how about you, Summer?
I like every fruit.
Every fruit?
Me too.
You like them all, Christiana? Oh. Can anybody tell me what these are? What are these?
Kiwis.
Very good. Who likes raspberries?
Me.
Ooh.
And blackberries.
Oh, you like blackberries?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't put blackberries. I could have put blackberries on. You know what else I could have put on?
What?
Boys and girls, can you guess? I could have put apples on this.
Oh, that would have been fun.
Yeah. And you know what? If you wanted to, you could, if you wanted to decorate, which I don't have for you today, but you could put even some little bit of nuts on it. Did you know nuts are really healthy for you?
Yeah.
Yeah. You could put some nuts on it too if you wanted. But today we just have fruit. But you could, I can think of something else you could put on. What do you, it's not here, but it's round and it's red and it grows on a tree.
That's a tricky one.
Oh, it's round and it's red. Oh, sometimes.
Cherry?
Yeah, Summer, that's exactly right. A cherry. We could have had cherries. Oh, I love cherries.
Me too.
Oh, they're yummy.
At Michigan, we buy cherries.
You do? Oh, Michigan has some good cherries. I know because
We
I've
pick
had them.
cherries.
You pick cherries? That's fun,
Also,
isn't it?
In our backyard, we have a cherry tree.
You have a cherry tree in your backyard?
Yep. Hey, guess what?
What?
We do have raspberries, red raspberries.
Uh-huh.
We have lots of raspberries. It's a big bush.
Ooh.
We have lots of raspberries. Yeah. We have lots of raspberries and lots of blackberries.
Do you know what? I have some blueberry bushes, and I have to make sure that I watch because I have to, as soon as they're ready, I have to go pick them. Does anybody know why?
Why? Because they'll go bad?
Because they're gonna go bad.
Mm-mm, somebody takes them.
The raccoons.
Mm-mm.
Bears.
Oh, I bet you bears would if bears lived near my house. They love them. Birds. Birds love my blueberries. Did you know that? I better quick eat one because I don't want the bird to get this one. The bird's not gonna get that berry, is he?
No.
Do you think birds eat grapes?
No.
Oh, I can't eat a grape then.
Yes.
Oh, well then I better eat this because a bird might get it. What do you think?
Yeah.
Bird's not gonna get that one, huh? That was yummy.
The bird's not going to get this one. It's going on my pizza.
Oh, that's our kitchen timer. We're almost out of time, boys and girls. Oh, hurry up. Yours is so pretty. Oh, wow, I love all the colors. And I love that. You have a fruit salad pizza. Boys and girls, do you have an idea of how you're going to decorate your fruit pizza? Oh, I bet it's going to be pretty. And you know what? I know it's going to taste good because I've had this and it's yummy,
I
yum.
had them too.
You've had them? Do you like it?
Miss Cinda.
What?
Her hands are always going to be messy.
Well, you know what? You can open this up and that way you have another side that's cleaner to wipe it on. Is that good? Oh, you want to put some other kind of fruit on too? Oh, I like your strawberries. That's really pretty. Oh, I can't wait to eat them. Let me see. How about if I eat a piece of this one and a piece of this one and a piece of this one and a piece of this one? Would I be full?
Yes.
Would you be full if you had a piece of all of them?
Yeah.
Yes? Oh, I love the way you're decorating them. You guys are doing so good. You're already cutting yours, Daniel.
Yeah.
Are you anxious to try it? Are you anxious to eat yours?
No. It's because I'm getting mine almost ready.
Who likes being in the kitchen?
I'm out.
Oh, boys and girls, that's all the time we have for now. But I hope you can make your own fruit pizza. And always remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.